Whether you are making a doll's house, model ship or toys, or constructing a classic model, the DB250 Micro Woodturning Lathe is your perfect tool for all small dimension turning work. An important characteristic of this lathe is the new high-torque motor, which together with the sophisticated control ensures a powerful torque even at low speeds. For example, machining of pieces held in the chuck, which are unbalanced or eccentric, presents no difficulty at a low speed of 1,000 revs per minute, and you can be sure that the power you require will be there when you need it. The low speed gives you a further advantage. Workpieces can be painted in semi-automatic mode. Fine adjustment is possible to increase the speed up to 5,000 revs per minute. This means that an adequately high cutting speed is always guaranteed, even where pieces with a small diameter are involved. And the double ball bearing mounted spindle has a bore diameter of 10 mm to enable cutting of wooden workpieces of any length. You can simply insert longer workpieces through it for machining. The lathe is also equipped with a universally adjustable, stable chiseling support, a serrated carrier and a live center. A faceplate is also included for larger workpieces. A set of 6 collets is also provided. Every wish is catered for, with a comprehensive range of accessories including a set of chisels, a drill chuck for mounting in the tailstock and a variety of chuck jaws. Proxxon, tools with character.